So can you take a brief moment to explain about EDN Healthcare and what your vision is, what you're trying to do?
Sure. EDN Healthcare is a small company that's dedicated toward developing visuals, electronic visual displays, and wayfinding, obviously used in the healthcare environment.
Thank you. So, given that in today's world you have so many choices, so why did you decide to work with offshore partner like Synerzip? Why not just hire locally?
Well, we're located in Pensacola, Florida. Pensacola is a small to mid-sized city. Not a lot of tech companies, dedicated tech companies, but we do have some that use up a lot of the talent that we have here locally. The rest of the talent is used up by other industries that most organizations require IT expertise. So the availability of finding any kind of talent is very, very difficult in this particular area. And if you can find them and can afford them, typically you don't have the time commitment for these individuals. So having a company like Synerzip and the talent that's readily available at any point in time is a blessing for us.
Thank you. And I know, like, you have worked with other partners in the past and given and the local talent. So, in your opinion, how is working with Synerzip different?
Well, Synerzip is has even though we think of Synerzip as a tech company within the tech and IT discipline, there's so many sub-disciplines of expertise you need when you develop any sort of platform, and so my experience with Synerzip is they have that talent, and you throw a problem at Synerzip. If the person at the other end of the line can't answer that question, there's usually somebody close by or on that team that can help us out.
That is great. And obviously, as our Synerzip team is and our development team is in Pune, India. So obviously, between where you are and India, there is a time zone difference. So, how did you deal with the time zone difference? Was it an issue, or what are the challenges? Anything you can talk about?
It really is not a challenge at all. Obviously, because of the time differences, we have to agree upon when we can meet, and the ideal time is for us is first thing in the morning, which is the end of the workday with our colleagues in overseas. But other than that, everything seems normal in terms of a working relationship. We communicate on a regular basis through obviously email and throughout the day, and some, we don't expect to get immediate responses from those emails, again, because of the time difference, but we do get them, and surprisingly, throughout the day. I assume they sleep overseas, but for us, it's, sometimes we just don't, it doesn't seem like that's happening, but so the ability to access individuals when we need them is always there. And again, just knowing when, the best time to actually have our official communication meetings in the mornings, and we meet twice a week. But outside of that, it's pretty much no different than working with any other organization that might be across town.
Thanks. So, anything else that stands out to you about working with the Synerzip team?
Well, I mean, we have developed a very good and close relationship with Ramila and her team, Pankaj, and so we're at the point, even though we've only worked together for about a year on this project, a little bit less than that. We have an understanding of of who knows what and how much we could throw at Synerzip to get the job done, and how much what's the right pace to work at. So we found it to be a really good working relationship with our group of individuals that are on our side in the Synerzip team.
Thank you, Bill. I really appreciate once again giving your time for the video testimonial.